Big day today. I'm planting the little Bluestem Prairie grass. What I got to do is mix the prairie grass with sand. Then I got to take this rake here. I'll take that with us. Take that rake and rake the furrows out of the area that's prepped, and then do a bunch of other stuff, which you'll see if you stick around. The first thing I got to do is get this seed mixed. It's really interesting looking seed. In fact, it doesn't look like seed at all. Hopefully I didn't get ripped off, but I don't think so. Here's the guys I bought it from. Roundstone Native Seed, LLC. At 9764 Raider Hollow Road, Upton, Kentucky. Hopefully this is good stuff. Start with a little bit of sand. And a bit of seed. Okay, a little more sand. And I'm getting it all over the floor. And some seed. This stuff I don't want to waste. I'm going to save out just a little bit of this seed and plant it in a container, pot or something, so I can see what the seedlings look like and not have to worry about yanking the good stuff if I do go in and do a little bit of weeding. Got a little baggie. I use these little square things for nuts and bolts when I'm working on a vehicle or something. I think that's probably too much. I just want to get an idea of what the seedlings look like. A little tiny more. Okay, I'll set that aside. Oops. And last of my sand. It's got some sprouts in here, so obviously I'm going to be putting a few weeds in here with the sand. This sand was playbox sand from Menards, and it came in a plastic bag. So obviously wherever it was stored before it was bagged, there was seeds floating around. Yeah, my biggest worry is getting this stuff on the ground even enough, because if I get a big empty spot, it's not going to fill in on its own like normal grass seed. This is a bunch grass. But I guess I can kind of counteract that by planting the prairie flowers in any empty spots, hopefully before weeds take the spot. This is kind of a practice plot for the Oak Savanna project. And it should look really awesome. It'll be a pretty damn cool garden to have native Wisconsin prairie, restored little piece of prairie as a garden. I was going to do grass there anyways, but I was going to do all different kinds of grass and kind of different heights and stuff. More of a formal garden, but this will be much better. Okay, let's go get this in the ground. All right, got my seed. Looks good. Got my rake. All I'm going to do with the rake is bust up any furrows so I get this uneven. And I have what's left of a bag of peat over there. I'm going to throw that on it as well. And that'll be it. Okay, let's get her done. Okay, that took 2 hours. Now for some seed. Hopefully this don't take so long. I was going to get this done and then have lunch, and now it's 2 o'clock. Or no, I started at 11, that took 3 hours. Okay, let's get some seed in the ground. That's it. Now I got to come through here. I got to set up a couple of hoses together to get all the way over here. But now I just need to water this in, and when it's a little bit dry, come through and step it in. It'd be nice to use a roller, but there's no way you can do it on this, the way this land is configured. But anyways, that is it. Hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell, the update bell, so that you receive notifications when we upload new videos. Have a great day.